Welcome back to the news at 6. The Federal Reserve Bank of Minneapolis Helena Branch is celebrating 100 years of operation today. MTN's John Riley brings us an inside look at some of the innovations pioneered through the branch over the last century.
The original branch opened in 1921 thanks to the lobbying efforts of Dr. Norman Holter and other local businessmen. After the 1935 earthquake destroyed the first structure, the branch moved to Park Avenue. Employees moved into the current home of the branch on Neal Avenue in 1990. Often referred to as the Banker's Bank, the Federal Reserve supervises and regulates banks and helps maintain the stability of the industry.
The main purpose of the Federal Reserve Bank is monetary policy, so it sets interest rates for the banks that the banks use for the loans that they use with their consumers. We are the only branch in the 9th District, and so our territory is huge from here to Minneapolis. I'm able to service all the banks in Montana is crucial in a timely fashion, so it's important that we're here to make sure that they receive the currency that they need for their operations.
The Federal Reserve System essentially operates as a nonprofit. Any money they take in from loans to institutions or other services goes back to the U.S. Treasury to pay off the nation's debt.
Due to security concerns, we can only show you a small fraction of what it looks like inside the Helena branch. Those security procedures are constantly evolving, much like the services of the Federal Reserve.
The Helena branch piloted an electronic check imaging system before it was used nationwide. Check processing used to be a core function of the Federal Reserve before digital checks.
The reason they did it here, because they figured if it works in Montana, it would work everywhere because the transportation distances were so big.
The Helena branch was also responsible for the creation of the Center for Indian Country Development, which aims to support the prosperity of Native nations through actionable research and community collaboration. Reporting in Helena, John Riley, MTN News.
All right, and now with another look at the weather, here's Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevnitz.